Hello there. So you want to know how you can use the community forum on MyFitnessPal? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open your MyFitnessPal application. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on your more icon and simply go all the way down until you find the community tab. Simply go ahead and tap on it. It's going to take a while to go ahead and load up. So let's just go ahead and be patient and wait for it. As you can see, it's also going to ask you to verify yourself right over here. It's just going to verify that you are a human. Tap on that right over there, and then verification is successful. Now this is where you can introduce yourself to other members in the journey. You can simply go ahead and have your discussion title, write whatever you want, and you can post in it, and then people will go ahead and help you out. So let's say, for example, you're struggling with weight loss. You can simply go ahead and talk to people who have already done it and stuff like that right over here. If you go ahead and check on the community tab, there are also other things people are discussing about, but like what food to consume, what are the routines they follow, and stuff like that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.